Good morning, everybody. Welcome to the Alien JoJo show. They asked me to make a video, but I don't like playing with dolls. So what we're going to do is we're going to do an oil change on Daddy's 2002 Corvette Z06. Let's get started. Come here. First, we're going to get started by taking off this bad boy right here. Alright, that's our first step. Second step, what we're going to do is we're going to jack up the car, okay? Let's show them where to jack it up. Day 3 of quarantine, huh? And we're pretty bored?
Yes.
Alright.
So, Daddy, where are we going to do it?
So if you want to come down here, take a look. We're going to go to the front cross member.
Mm-hmm.
And I'll show you where. Come on.
Okay. Let's go. Let's go on.
I had to put the tires on blocks because it's so low. Just so I could get my jack in here.
So, guys, that's what he's doing right now. He's making it higher, as you can see. My dad, you're kind of making it higher.
Yeah. It doesn't want to go up. There it goes.
Whoa, it looks higher already.
First thing we're going to do, get out of there.
Okay.
We're going to put some jack stands for safety. In case the jack wants to stop working, it's going to fall on this and not us, okay?
Okay. There's 2 of them, like us. And guys, this is an Ellie and JoJo show, but Ellie's asleep, so she couldn't do it. And she's way too little. Make sure the little siblings do not get in the way for them not to get hurt.
Alright, JoJo, what we're going to need is we're going to need my size 15 socket.
Coming
And
up.
the stuff to catch the oil, please.
Coming right up. Here you go. Daddy, can we see what's under here?
Going through the other side over there.
Okay, you hear him.
This side, baby.
Huh?
Over here.
Oh. Right here?
Yep. Alright, so it looks like for whatever reason, size 15 socket's not fitting perfectly, so we're gonna grab a wrench.
A wrench.
Change your plans.
Here's my bunny. My bunny, bunny, bunny. It's okay, carrots. Okay. Where is it?
Oh, I have no idea because I haven't organized none of my stuff.
I'm just showing you guys around. Outside, I'll just show you guys around. Here's our new car. Here's my mom's Mustang. Yeah,
Don't show the license plate.
I didn't. Carrot. What about that? Was that? No. You okay, Carrot?
You know, when you're not organized, you spend about half the time looking for the tool and a quarter of the time doing the work. Yeah, just keep on trying with it.
Okay. And yeah, by the way, there's oil on the floor.
Yep, there should be a little bit.
Okay, let's see what's under here.
Alright, so we're gonna go to the drain plug, which is this.
Let me just zoom in because you can't really see it. Come on, Daddy, you got this.
Nope, I need a wrench. This doesn't fit.
Oh. Whoa.
Yep, I don't want to mess it up. Size 15, we gotta find it. Why don't you turn it around, tell them a little about yourself.
So, myself is that I have funny. I have such a lot of friends. I have 2 siblings. One is the oldest one, and one is the little one. And I don't know what else. Okay, he found it.
I was doing my brakes.
Okay.
So I didn't turn on that side. Alright, now go on that side of the tire so you can see me.
Okay.
Alright. We're gonna open this bad boy so I can catch the oil that comes out of the car.
And guys, we might tell you what next video we're gonna do. We're gonna tell you guys a little bit what we're gonna do for our next video. But it has to be at the end of this video.
Alright, so we got the nut loose. We gotta be careful because if we open it too fast, the oil's gonna just completely drag out of there like super bad. It's gonna just gush. We gotta do a slow motion to not make a mess. See it coming out?
Yep.
Alright. Well, that starts draining, we're going to get our filter ready. Now, this model of Corvette takes 6 quarts. Or 6.5 to be exact. Alright. I like to use Mobile 1 because it's been known for me to beat up my engine sometimes.
Mom's calling. Hold on, guys. Our mom's calling. Or my mom was calling.
Let's just ignore her.
Ah!
Check it out.
Whoa, that's pretty cool. I can't put my face next to it because then it will pop on my face.
So what we're gonna do is we're gonna get some of this oil and put it around the ring so we can lubricate it. So next time we want to take it off, it's not gonna be super hard to take off, okay?
Oh, okay.
Alright, so let's start working on our oil filter.
Okay. What side do I go on?
I need to think off to take the oil filter, so give me that.
This? Here you go.
So what's up, everybody? This is Mom right here. She's hiding. She wants to know what we want to eat for breakfast. Alright, let me see it. No, not really.
We were
Go ahead.
talking.
Okay, so yeah. I'll figure it out with you. Alright, you're gonna have to go in on that side still.